Hey guys, Anthony here with a brief overview and walkthrough of RecordCast, a web-based screen capture software with which you can create video screen recordings. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch my RecordCast review video. So I'm logged into my RecordCast account. In this main section is where you'll find all your saved projects. If you hover your mouse over a specific project, you'll see this three dots icon. And if you click on it, you'll see these three options to rename your project, to duplicate your project, and to delete your project. You'll also notice this edit button, and if you click on it, it'll open the built-in video editor. I've created a separate tutorial on how to use the RecordCast video editor, so you can watch this video to learn more. Let me go back to the app. If you click on the RecordCast logo in the top left corner, it'll bring you back to the main dashboard. In this left side panel, you'll see these two buttons. You can use this top button if you want to create a screen recording, and it'll bring you to this screen where you can choose one of these recording options. Again, I've created a separate video to show you how to do a screen recording, so feel free to check it out. Let's go back to the app. And if I click on the RecordCast logo in the top left corner, it'll bring you back to the main dashboard. And down below in the bottom left corner, you can click your profile icon where it'll display a plan. And if you click on My Account, you can access your account details and change your password, as well as check your plan details. But that's pretty much it. You can try RecordCast for free. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this overview helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.